We need everything. They need everything. Minute to minute, we're gathering in supplies. Folks are dropping things off. We're stacking boxes. We're getting things loaded. We're getting things labeled. Everything from food to adult diapers to toilet paper. It's not the work NC Counts usually does, but it's aligned to what we do, and we have the infrastructure for it. Donate, and we're making sure the funds are getting to the people and also to the community-based organizations. I think it's really important that, the community-based organizations, they've been in the community, they're doing the work, they've done the work, and so they're the ones who are capable of receiving these goods, these supplies, and receiving the funds.